Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about name change, which is a very, very important issue in the context of a divorce. You know, there are reasons to preserve the marital name. There are reasons to restore the maiden name. When there's children, you know, you got to think about it. Yes, you may want your name back. You may have liked your maiden name better than your married name, but your kids are carrying the married name. And now for them, you know, their name is Smith, your name is Johnson, you know, and they're always going to have to, you know, deal with that. Their peers may ask them, why is your name different than your mom's? You may not want to put them through that kind of potential embarrassment, so it may make sense to not restore your maiden name during the divorce, but when they get older, at some later time, you could do it. Here's the difference, though, in procedure. If a person desires to restore their maiden name and they decide to do it while they're getting divorced, that is a provision of the judgment of divorce that you can put in, and it's called restoration of maiden name. So-and-so's name shall from this point on be known as blah. Their maiden name is hereby restored, and that will be part of the judgment. The judge will sign it, and that'll be it. No further proceedings will be required. However, if you decide for reasons that I stated, you want to wait, there's other reasons why you don't restore, and 2 or 3 years later down the road you want to restore your maiden name, at that point it's way more complicated. The restoration of the name at that point in time is more like a name change. And to do that, you're going to have to file a petition with the probate court. Separate petition. And you're going to have to go before the court and say, I want to change my name. And they're going to say, why? And then you'll have to explain. It was really my maiden name. I want to restore it, but I wanted to wait for my kids. And the court will probably grant it. But it's another whole proceeding. It's a question of, and it's complicated too. You file a petition. They don't grant you a hearing right off the bat. They first want to run your prints through all the law enforcement agencies to make sure you're not changing it by reason of fraud, you know, these kinds of things. And they make you wait. If there's a waiting period of 35 days or some such thing, and they make you go through all this, and it's, you know, time consuming and more costly. But like I said, there may be a compelling reason to do it that way instead of the other way, but these are the differences between restoring your name during the divorce and then waiting till after. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.